Need to know how to fit your Artem clasp? Well, I'm here to help. You will need a Springbar tool and a set of small screwdrivers. There are two types of clasp we will fit today: the RM Style Clasp for the HydroFlex and Classic straps, and the Deployment Clasp for the Loop-Less strap. We'll start with the Deployment Clasp, so we don't need the screwdrivers for this one. Start by securing the Springbar in place using the forked end of your tool. Once you've done this, it's good practice to give the strap a slight pull to make sure it's securely fitted. Next, fit the strap to your watch using your Springbar tool so the clasp end is at the top. Now that you've fitted your clasp, it's time to size it. Start by opening the clasp by pressing the two pusher buttons on either side. Then slide the strap through the clasp, squeeze each side gently, and press into place using the required hole. Check the size and fit, and then adjust as necessary. And that's it. Your deployment clasp is now fitted. Let's move on to the RM Style Clasp for the Classic and HydroFlex straps. Start by removing the pre-fitted pin buckle using your Springbar tool. Next, open up your clasp by gently pulling either side. Then unscrew the bar to remove it. This can be done by hand or using a small screwdriver on either side. Once removed, you can fit the clasp to your strap by putting the clasp in the tang gap of the strap and screwing firmly in place using the bar we just removed. You can start with one screwdriver, but to finish you will need to hold a screwdriver on either side to make sure it's nice and secure. Now that you've fitted your clasp, you can fit your strap to your watch using the quick release spring bars or using a Springbar tool if your strap does not come with quick release bars. Once fitted, turn your strap over and using a slightly larger screwdriver, undo the retaining screw on the underside of the clasp. Pop this to one side and keep it safe. Next, put your watch on for size and count which hole fits best. Next, remove one side of the strap. This is optional, but it can make fitting the retaining screw slightly easier. Open up the clasp and slide the strap into place. Then tighten the retaining screw securely. And that's it. Your RM Style Clasp is now fitted. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and sign up to our newsletter to keep up to date with all the latest releases.